Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola G86 Power, and today I'll show you how we can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you want to open up your settings. In here, scroll all the way down to System, select Reset Options, and then choose Erase All Data, Factory Reset. This will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which importantly includes things like photos, music, and all user data. I don't have anything here that I want to back up, so I'm just going to jump to the next page by selecting Erase All Data. Now, before I do so, I do want to also point out, if you're using eSIM card, you might want to select this as well to erase that. I don't have anything like that here, so I'm just going to select Erase Data. If you have a screen lock, you need to confirm it, and then click Erase All Data a second time, which will then begin factory resetting your device. Now, this process will probably take about 2 minutes to finish up, give or take a minute, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.